Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Thumb FPV. Today we're going to do a little repair video here. So what we have, this is the DJI Air unit. A lot of you know this. Very nice piece of equipment here. It's the receiver and transmitter for your goggles, your Mode 2. And here we have the coaxial cable to replace on it. On mine, unfortunately, due to wear and tear of the drone crashing, getting ripped apart, and other numerous misadventures, the wire here is frayed. Looks like it's also slightly melted. Got a little bit hot there, and the wires may be touching. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this apart, look inside, and see exactly how to replace this wire. So from what I'm seeing here, there should only be 4 screws to doing this, maybe 5. We have 2 here on the back of the camera. There's 2 here on the bottom of the air unit. 1 there. May have to take that out. Not sure, but I'm going to get these 4 taken out real quick and see what we got in here. I almost had this plug back in, and I flipped it over and I looked at it real quick, and I seen that the wire was melted. I was like, man, if I would have plugged that in and I would have fried the air unit, I would have been really upset. I always double check everything after a crash. You never know what could possibly happen. It just, 2 seconds can save you a whole lot of pain and money. So this guy here looks like he just pops out on the side. Find my tweezers and get in there real quick. Alright, so just pop in here. This literally does just pop right out. Be careful when you're putting this back in. Pins in there are very small. I don't even know if I can get this thing to focus. Let's see here. No, it's not even going to pick it up. They're really small. Anyway, so we have the camera off, and then we just slide this part down here. And this should be the exact same thing. Yeah, just come at it from the side. I wouldn't rip it out. It does fit down in horizontally. So if you just come in at it from the side here, it does literally just pop right out. Really simple. Alright, so here's the old one. People say those save parts. I really don't think there's anything to save on this. Unfortunately, this little wire is $15. Really sucks. But I'll go ahead and get the other one put back in. I ordered 2 of these. I literally had this project to do, and then I was working on my other drone, one of them, and I had the wire held down underneath the motor, and it popped free in the middle of soldering, and I melted right through the side of that one. So it's best to try to keep everything as far out of the way as you can. I know sometimes it's a pain, but the little things always make a difference. It should just pop right back in. Like I said, just push it down flat. Clip right in. Slide your cable connector secure in. And just give it a double take real quick. Just push it down. I felt on the side it slid in just a little bit. You don't want this thing to come loose in the air. You will experience a lot of problems. Myself personally, I have a tendency to fly over water quite a bit, and high roofs that I am not able to access at will. So losing a drone is never a good thing. I've been able to use turtle mode on a 5-inch once or twice. For the most part, it does not work. It is not something I am a fan of. I think the most effectiveness that I've had for it, all in all, was getting it out of a tree. So the air unit's back together now. We have that. Now we just have the camera here. And on the one side, if you look, there is the pins. That's the side that you want down. Come in at it from the side. Have the wires go in. And just line it up like so. Get over top of it and give it a nice little push. I don't want to put too much tension on it. Just run it down. Make sure everything is in there. And you feel it pop into place ever so lightly. It's just like a tiny little, but it will actually secure down inside. Alright, so we have that. Double check it. Pretty sure the wire harness, yeah, this is on the bottom, so make sure to reorient. You have your arrow pointed in the right direction, otherwise that'll lead to a lot of pain too. If you happen to leave your barcode on, that's a good reference, or just mark it real quick before you happen to take this apart if that's off. That way you're double sure on what is what and where. Sometimes a magnetic driver is a good thing, and sometimes it is not. Let's give that a nice little tightness down there. One more to go. Come on. There we go. Alright, so screws are back in place. Wire has been replaced. Air unit's ready to go back in. Almost thinking maybe figure out something else to go over top of this wire. Maybe protect it. But that right there, real quick in a nutshell, is how you replace the wire on the DJI Air unit. Hope you guys like this. I'll have another video up soon. Thanks for watching. This is Thumb FPV.